Hello, this is the first instructional video for steps 1 through 8 of the apartment complex assignment, so we shall begin. Step 2 says, in cell G8 in the summary worksheet, insert a date function to calculate the number of years. So we'll click on cell G8 on the summary worksheet and type equals, and then write year, frag, F-R-A-C, parentheses, $, F8, comma, $H, $2, comma, 0, and parentheses. Click enter. Now, we'll hover on the bottom right of the cell and drag it all the way down to fill this formula through all of the records. And now step 2 is done. And it says Unit 101 was remodeled 13.75 years ago, which is the answer that we got, so we know we're correct. Okay, step 3 says in cell H8, insert a nested logical function to display the required PET deposit given these criteria. So we'll click in cell H8 and write equals if, capitalized, parentheses, okay, and then capital A-N-D for and, open parentheses again, $, C8 greater than or equal to 2, comma, space, this is so funny, $, G8 is less than, $, H, $, 3, close parentheses, comma, space, $, H, $, 4, comma, space, $, H, $, 5, close parentheses, enter. And then we'll do the same, dragging it down. So this formula is copied all the way down. And because we use $, it will correctly reference the cells for each record. And says the PET deposit for Unit 101 is 200. And if we check, Unit 101 has a PET deposit of 200, so we know it's correct. Okay, step 4 says in cell I8, insert another nested logical function to display need to remodel or no change given this criteria. So we'll go over and click cell I8, write equals, capital If again, parentheses, capital and again, open parentheses, $, E9 equals, and then in quotations write no with capital N, lowercase o, in quotations, comma, $, G9 is greater than $, H, $, 3, close parentheses, comma, and then in quotations write need to shoot. Wait, malfunction. This is my first video. So, working out the kinks. Okay, need to remodel, in quotation marks, comma, quotation marks again, no change, close parentheses, enter. And we'll drag this one down as well. In the instructions, it says, although Unit 101 was last remodeled over 10 years ago, the recommendation is no change because the unit is occupied. And if we look up at Unit 101, recommendation is no change, so we know we got it right. We already did step 5, copying the functions down. We just did that as we go. Okay, step 6 says in cell B3, insert a nested match function with an index function that will look up the rental price. So we'll click cell B3 right here, and you write equals, index in all capitals, parenthesis, D8, colon, D57, comma, and then write match in all capitals, and then open parentheses, $, B, $2, comma, A8, colon, A54, comma, space, 0, close 2 parentheses. So you should have 2 at the end. Hit enter. The value is 950 in cell B3, and it says the lookup function displays 950, so we know that's correct. So we are on to step 7. It says, in the database sheet, enter conditions in the criteria range for unoccupied 2 and 3 bedroom apartments that need to be remodeled. Enter with text only in rows 3 and 4. So we click on the database worksheet at the bottom. Your top has a criteria range. So it says bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and 3 bedrooms. Occupied is no for both of them. And need to be remodeled is your recommendation. Need remodel. Need to. Why don't we write need to remodel just in case? Okay. So that is it for step 7. That was easy. Step 8 says apply an advanced filter based on the criteria range that we just did in A2 to H4 and filter the existing database, which is down here. So first we'll highlight right here, A15 across and all the way down to 65, which is right here. Then we go to data at the top right here in the green or white. Click advanced right here next to the filter. So list range, that's what we already have. Criteria range, so click right here, scroll up, highlight A2 to H4 right there, click OK, and it filters it for you. If we count how many we have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it says 9 apartments meet the filter conditions, so we know we got it right. And that is all for steps 1 through 8. I hope this helps, and I'll talk to you later. Love you. Bye.